Hi guys, it's Victoria Lee here and I'm going to show you how to create really easy, effortless, healthy summer hair using products from David Jones Beauty that you can find in store right now. So to begin, I've washed my hair. It's still a little bit damp back here, as you can see. First step, I use this R+Co shampoo. It's the Gold Lust Repair and Restore shampoo. As at the same time as it's cleaning your hair, it actually is nourishing and restoring and strengthening it. So it's a really good one. So step 2, I use this Christophe Robin regenerating mask with rare prickly pear seed oil. It's super creamy, super kind of luxurious. This particular mask is designed to be used from root to tip, so it strengthens your hair, it manages frizz, it rejuvenates. It's really nourishing and full of antioxidants with the prickly pear seed oil. And what I'll do is, after I've kind of worked it through, I'll twist my hair and then bring it to the top of my head and kind of smush it down, and then that brings it to my roots. So step 3 is the Christophe Robin volumizing conditioner with rose extracts. You can see here. It's a really wonderful conditioner. It restores volume and life to your hair. It's full of antioxidants with the rose oil and vitamins A and E. So it nourishes your hair without weighing it down. It makes it really easy to style. And also I love that this has rose water in it. It smells incredible. I put a little of this in the mid-lengths to ends of my hair. I find especially during summer they can get very dry and brittle, and this protects and seals in your ends to prevent split ends, so it's really good. You should always let your hair dry about 60% before you get too much heat on it. When I use my hairdryer, R+Co Park Avenue Blowout Balm, it protects your hair, it seals in moisture, and it's UV protecting as well from sun damage. I use about this much for my whole hair. And I work it through the mid-lengths to ends. So I'm going to be using the Parlax Advanced Light hairdryer today, and you always want to use the nozzle. Direct it down. You want to go with the hair shaft, not too against it, because it can damage and also create a lot of frizz, and you kind of want to direct the air as you hope to style your hair. So just have it on medium heat. So my hair has a bit of a natural wave to it, and I just, when I blow dry it, I just kind of put it in a twist and blow dry down my hair, so it kind of creates this little curl or wave that's happening. After I've blow dried my hair, I then use this Rock and Ruddle brush. And they're natural bristles that evenly distribute your natural oils in your hair from your scalp all the way down your hair. So it's nourishing your hair, and it's super gentle on detangling, and it's not gonna pull or break your hair, so that's really good. So the next step is this Christophe Robin Instant Volumizing Mist with Rose Water. I use this just to provide body and volume to my hair. So I'll apply it mainly in the roots and just work that in, and then also down the lengths of my hair and towards the ends. So what I'll do actually, if a product has kind of dampened my hair a little bit, I'll just kind of scrunch my hair up, and it creates kind of a wave, and if you have layers like I do, it kind of brings out the shape and the style of your hair a little bit. So final step is this R+Co Dry Texturizing Spray. And this is really amazing. It lifts from the roots and it actually absorbs oil. So if you've gone a couple of days between washes, you can just spray some of this in. It's kind of like a dry shampoo, and it'll instantly kind of revitalize your hair, and it smells so good, by the way. So for now I'm using it just to get that bit of texture, and that's it. Good to go. Super easy, effortless, kind of elevated beach wave for summer, and everything that I've used is available at David Jones right now.